Welcome to BriefCam Bootcamp. This is Gili Ram, and today Seva Liokomovich and I will be reviewing how to manage building maintenance and cleaning using the BriefCam video content analytics platform. With sanitation being, in fact, a key to prevention of the spread of the virus and to maintain public health, organizations actually seek more effective triggers to deploy maintenance and cleaning crews in public spaces beyond the more traditional time-based triggers. So the objective is really to align the sanitation and maintenance effort and operation with actual usage of the various facilities in order to trigger those maintenance and cleaning crews, as well as to understand behavior for planning purposes as well. And with BriefCam, organizations can leverage their traditional security VMSs for this maintenance and operational need. Within Respond module, Respond enables to count based alerts of people counting alerts in entryways or hallways that can be set to trigger those cleaning or maintenance crews for specific facilities. Our research dashboards allow us to, or let us understand trends of usage in areas for planning purposes of these operations. And let's take another look at the software to see what this looks like.
So in this case, we can set up another rule under the Respond module. So we can create a new rule. And in this case, we'll actually do a real-time alert. So we'll be alerted within 5 seconds of this happening. Let's use the corridor camera, have it run continuously as always. And then from here, we can be alerted that anytime people cross a certain line, so we'll use our line crossing, we'll select this doorway that goes to the restroom. So anytime that people cross from the hallway into the bathroom, anytime that happens 50 or more times within 12 hours, we can be alerted. So every 51st person will get an alert to the cleaning crew, to the security staff, that they can send someone instead of having to do it hourly or semi-hourly. Additionally, we could also see the data behind it and see any trends in the research module. So for example, we can go to our checkout analytics dashboard. We could select one of the checkout counters. So for example, let's say checkout 1. And now we can see all the trends of how many people show up throughout the day. So potentially clean it more often, less often, really depends on your policies. So if we change the threshold, we can see how often we might have to clean it if we want to clean it every 7 people.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this overview helpful. If you have further questions or would like to see an expanded demonstration of BriefCam's video content analytics platform, please reach out to us at BriefCam Bootcamp at briefcam.com or visit briefcam.com.